Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to plan multi-day and multi-user routes, as well as go through some of the advanced parameters. Let's quickly select the start date of our route and then open the route parameters. Let's select 5 days to build a multi-day route. We will use the lasso tool and select 20 accounts that we would like to visit across 5 days. Let's build this route. As we can see, Mapsly has created a 5-day route where each day starts from our default location. To build a long-haul route, check the continuous routes box and build the route again. We can choose whether to start each day at the last activity from the previous day or in transit. Let's build this route once again. This time, Mapsly built a long continuous route. Since we didn't have to return home each day, this took 3 days instead of the initial 5 days. To plan a route for multiple users, open the route panel and select another user. In our example, we will add John as one of the users of this route. Let's click the build button. As we can see, Mapsly has optimally split these routes amongst 2 users by minimizing the overall travel time. Under route parameters, you can find some additional parameters such as the travel mode, whether to optimize this route, round start time, ignore constraints, use traffic, or replace existing routes. Let's change our travel mode to full-size truck. Optionally, you can set some specific truck parameters. Let's build this route. As we can see, our route now uses truck as its transportation mode. Now let's take a look at the traveling preferences. Here you can define your working hours as well as set exceptions for situations such as a day off. Let's create one such exception. You can also set your break time by specifying the break duration as well as the earliest and latest times. Let's change the default meeting duration to 120 minutes. There are many advanced preferences, but in our case, we will set the max driving distance and the max jobs. Let's build this route. As we can see, Mapsly has automatically added a break to our route, while 2 of the jobs are unassigned because of the max distance constraint that we've added earlier. Alright, well, that is all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.